This is a old vintage door. I paid $35 for at Habitat Humanity. And I looked online and it's worth in the thousands. The detail of the stained glass there. I'll try to get it big for you guys. You see? There we are. And what I'm going to do is sand it down and refurbish it. And it is going to be my front door. The artwork is beautiful. Hummingbirds, so pretty. So this was my great find at Habitat Humanity. When the guy realized that he put the wrong price on the wrong door, we had a little indifference, but I came out on top. $35. What the sign says, what the woman paid. I'm so happy. A lot of work to be done, but I know I can do it and bring its beauty back to life. My front door. I'm going to see if I can clean these really good. If I can't, I will be purchasing another doorknob, door handle. So, Rachel Gage Coleman is opening her wood shop. Front and back. I'm going to sand it down with various grades of sandpaper, and then I don't know if I'm going to stain it or just keep the bare wood and just put a gloss over it. Who knows? Nice solid wood door. So until then.